ISBM, your first step towards right career.
So this is the new chapter of business communication, public relations. So have you heard about this word PR? PR is the abbreviated form of the initials of both these words. P stands for public and R for relations. So public relations is most popular by the abbreviated form PR. Now what is public relations? What do you call as public relations? Is it publicity, advertisement, advertising, publicity, propagations, media? What is it? What do you call as public relations? Is it all related to advertising, marketing, propagation, and all these things? No. Public relations is not only publicity. It is so many other things. It has a vast area to cover. Public relation is a very important management function of any organization. Without public relations, at least in the present competitive scenario, no company can exist. For its survival, for a company's survival, for a company's success, the most crucial management function is public relations. It is just the soul of an organization, I can say. And it is not only about the publicity of that organization. It is not only about the marketing. It is not only about the advertising. It is not only about propaganda. It's not only about coming on the media or popular on the newspaper. It is so many things more. It is an integral part of an organization. So, public relation doesn't mean publicity in newspaper or a television interview or the appearance of celebrity on the event. It is not public relations. It is just a part of public relations. It is a part of public relations, but not the whole of public relations. Now, the proper definition is given here. Public relations is the management function which evaluates the public attitude, identifies the policies and procedures of the company and the individual with public interest, and plans and executes a program of action to earn public understanding and patience. To earn public understanding and patience. So public relations is the management function which will help you to evaluate the attitude of the people related to the company, to identify the policies of the organization, and to see what plans can be implemented and executed to earn public understanding and patience. So I would like you all to have a note of this definition, which is very important and a good definition of public relations. Please write it down. Public relations is the management function which evaluates public attitudes, identifies its policies and procedures of an individual or an organization with public interest, and plans and executes a program of actions to earn, or which will help the company to gain public understanding and patience. So, by understanding the organizational policies, by understanding the individual employee's role in the organization and what are the implications on the public, public relations help us to formulate a program through which a company can gain a good image in the eyes of the people. This set of rules or this program which is designed under the public relations system will help the company to gain an understanding response from the public, to gain an understanding in the eyes of the public, to gain a reputation in the eyes of the public, and the company will become known, popular, and a brand name to the public. So creating a brand image, creating a relation with the public, making the public understand about you, and understanding the public is all what is public relations.